Friends, this is Zero Cool Z1 and today I'm going to tell you about the small business grants from program from the Facebook. So Facebook has started a grants program in which they will provide around 100 million US dollars for those businesses who has got destroyed, or we can say they are not earning that much so that they can keep it in the market. Yeah, you heard me right. It's 100 million US dollar. They are offering 100 million US dollars for the businesses, small businesses we can say. So, as we all know, in this pandemic COVID 19, all businesses are not doing pretty well, and many businesses are not even able to stand in the market. So, it's a good initiative from Facebook. So, let's check if your business is eligible or not. So, up to 30,000 eligible smart businesses in more than 30 countries will be able to receive a grant from Facebook. To be eligible to apply, your business must have between 2 to 50 employees. Yeah, your business should have 2 to 50 employees. The minimum is 2 and maximum is 50. I don't know if your business have more than 50 employees, then what will happen. So, have been in business for over a year, have experienced challenges due to COVID 19, been or near a location where Facebook operates. So, I guess you will have these three, but I'm not sure about the Facebook, if Facebook operates in your area or not. So, where can you apply? So, currently, these countries are accepting applications, and let's click on it. So, it's only United States. We are sorry, but 2 weeks window to submit your application has closed for United States. So okay, so let's see if your area is eligible or not. So as I am from India, so I am choosing India. So they are saying we are still working through eligibility areas details for your area, and they are asking my business email address, and they will sign me up. Yeah, so enter your business email address and sign up for the process and wait for their reward. I guess it will be of around 15 to 20 days. Yeah, so after that they will let you know whether you are eligible or not for this program. So that's all from me. Stay safe, stay home,